In a world that often feels overwhelming and competitive, confidence stands out as one of the most crucial attributes one can possess. It affects every aspect of our lives, our personal relationships, professional endeavors, and even our self-perception. Yet, for many, confidence seems elusive, something that others naturally possess while we struggle to find our footing. However, the good news is that confidence can be cultivated. It's not just an inherent trait, it's a skill that anyone can develop with the right mindset and practices. Imagine walking into a room filled with people, and instead of feeling small or anxious, you radiate self-assurance. You engage in conversations effortlessly, make decisions with clarity, and take on challenges without second-guessing yourself. This scenario is achievable for anyone willing to invest time and effort into cultivating their confidence. In this guide, we will explore various strategies, techniques, and mindsets that can help you build lasting confidence. From understanding the roots of insecurity to practical exercises and habits that can boost your self-esteem, we'll cover it all. The importance of confidence. Before we dive into the methods of cultivating confidence, let's discuss why it's important. Confidence impacts our daily lives in several ways. 1. Improved decision-making. Confident individuals are more likely to make decisions without hesitation. They trust their instincts and are less afraid of making mistakes. 2. Better relationships. Confidence fosters healthy communication. When you believe in yourself, you can express your thoughts and feelings more openly, leading to stronger relationships. 3. Career advancement. In the professional world, confidence can set you apart from your peers. It helps you take on challenges, lead teams, and pursue opportunities that might otherwise intimidate you. 4. Resilience. Confidence builds resilience. When faced with setbacks, confident individuals are more likely to bounce back, learn from their experiences, and continue moving forward. 5. Mental well-being. A strong sense of self-worth contributes to better mental health. It reduces feelings of anxiety and depression, leading to a more fulfilling life. Understanding insecurity. To cultivate confidence, we must first understand its opposite, insecurity. Insecurity stems from a lack of self-belief and often manifests as self-doubt, fear of failure, and negative self-talk. Here are some common sources of insecurity. Comparisons. In the age of social media, it's easy to compare ourselves to others. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Past experiences, negative experiences, such as failure or rejection, can leave lasting scars. They may cause us to question our abilities and fear taking risks. Perfectionism. The desire to be perfect can paralyze us. We may avoid situations where we might fail, leading to a cycle of self-doubt. External validation. Relying on others' opinions for self-worth can lead to insecurity. If others don't affirm us, we may feel undeserving of confidence. Understanding these sources allows us to address them directly, paving the way for personal growth. Strategies for cultivating confidence. Now that we've explored the importance of confidence and the roots of insecurity, let's delve into actionable strategies to cultivate confidence. 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of confidence. It involves understanding your strengths, weaknesses, values, and beliefs. To enhance your self-awareness, reflect on your strengths. Make a list of your positive attributes, skills, and achievements. Acknowledging what you're good at can boost your self-esteem. Identify areas for improvement. Recognizing your weaknesses is equally important. This isn't about self-criticism, it's about understanding where you can grow. Seek feedback. Sometimes we have blind spots. Ask trusted friends or mentors for constructive feedback on your performance and character. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help clarify your self-perception. Reflect on moments when you felt confident and what triggered those feelings. Set realistic goals. Setting and achieving realistic goals can significantly boost your confidence. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Short-term goals. Focus on immediate, achievable goals that lead to quick wins. This can create a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to tackle larger challenges. Long-term goals. Have a vision for the future. Define what success looks like for you and create a roadmap to get there. This gives you a sense of purpose and direction. Celebrate achievements. No matter how small, celebrate your accomplishments. This reinforces positive behavior and builds confidence over time. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Identify negative thoughts. Pay attention to your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, challenge those thoughts. Use affirmations. Create a list of positive affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them daily to reinforce a positive self-image. Visualize success. Picture yourself succeeding in different situations. Visualization can increase your confidence and prepare you for real-life challenges. Face your fears. Confronting fears is a powerful way to build confidence. By gradually exposing yourself to the things that scare you, you can desensitize yourself and reduce anxiety. Start small. Choose small challenges that make you uncomfortable. As you succeed, gradually increase the difficulty of your challenges. Embrace failure. Understand that failure is a natural part of growth. Instead of fearing it, see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Join a support group. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can provide encouragement as you face your fears. Invest in yourself. Continuous self-improvement can enhance your confidence. Investing in your personal and professional development is crucial. Education. Take courses or workshops to learn new skills. Knowledge can empower you and provide a sense of competence. Health and wellness. Physical well-being is closely tied to self-esteem. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly impact your confidence. Hobbies and interests. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Pursuing your passions can boost your self-esteem and provide a sense of accomplishment. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we surround ourselves with play a crucial role in shaping our confidence. Seek supportive relationships. Build a network of individuals who uplift and encourage you. Positive influences can help reinforce your self-worth. Limit toxic relationships. Distance yourself from individuals who bring negativity or undermine your confidence. Role models. Identify individuals you admire and study their behaviors. What traits do they possess that contribute to their confidence? Mindfulness and self-compassion. Practicing mindfulness and self-compassion can enhance your overall well-being and confidence. Engage in mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing. These techniques can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. Self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during difficult times. Recognize that everyone faces challenges and that it's okay to struggle. Building confidence in professional settings. Confidence in professional settings is particularly important. Here are some tailored strategies for building workplace confidence. Master your skills. Being knowledgeable and skilled in your field can significantly boost your confidence. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends and advancements. Knowledge enhances your ability to contribute meaningfully. Seek mentorship. Find a mentor who can guide you in your career. Their experience can provide valuable insights and support. Networking. Building connections in your professional environment can enhance your confidence. Attend events. Participate in networking events, workshops, and conferences. Engaging with others can help you build relationships and increase your visibility. Practice small talk. Developing the ability to engage in small talk can improve your networking skills. Practice with friends or colleagues to gain confidence. Take initiative. Being proactive in the workplace can enhance your confidence. Volunteer for projects. Take on new responsibilities or volunteer for projects that interest you. This demonstrates your willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Share ideas. Don't hesitate to share your ideas during meetings. Your perspective is valuable, and contributing can increase your visibility and confidence. Overcoming setbacks. Setbacks are an inevitable part of life, and how we respond to them greatly impacts our confidence. Learn from mistakes. Instead of dwelling on failures, view them as learning opportunities. Reflect on lessons. After experiencing a setback, take time to reflect on what you can learn. This fosters a growth mindset and prepares you for future challenges. Adjust your approach. Use the insights gained from failures to adjust your strategies moving forward. This proactive approach can build resilience. Practice resilience. Building resilience is key to maintaining confidence in the face of adversity. Develop coping strategies. Identify techniques that help you cope with stress, such as exercise, journaling, or seeking support from friends. Stay positive. Focus on maintaining a positive outlook even during challenging times. Surround yourself with positivity, whether through affirmations or uplifting relationships. In conclusion, cultivating confidence is a journey that requires self-awareness, intentionality, and perseverance. It's important to remember that everyone faces challenges and experiences moments of self-doubt. However, by implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can take proactive steps to build your confidence over time. As you work towards becoming more confident, celebrate your progress along the way. Each small victory contributes to a stronger sense of self-worth. If you like these type of videos and would like to improve your life, subscribe to this channel for more.